Okay, and you're going into Hershey Yard or you're going into North Platte?
You are clear to Clearfield. Do not go into the next block yet without contacting.
And you got clearance all the way in?
926.
Running?
Just keep backing up so you can back all the way out.
Can I back all the way out now?
Try it. You're on the ground, but try backing.
I'm doing it.
Sure.
Well, something's coming.
All right.
It'll be right. I see it. I gotta get out where we can get it.
Hello, Cheyenne. Okay, take her up to 815.
Did you get them all out? Yeah, I know they got the plastic couplers on
The
them.
little plastic couplers.
I know, they're all leaving.
They're horrible.
They are.
They have no
Do
strength.
you think we can get it down there? If not,
I can get it down and it gets up to here and then all of a sudden the cars cut loose and go the other way.
oh,
It's,
can we do that? Yeah. Or if you want to take that first coupler.
Hello, Salt Lake City.
They're all getting new couplers this summer,
yeah.
for obvious reasons.
No, you're not supposed to have any electrons.
I'm sorry.
You drove into your father's block.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring her up here. And I'm gonna quickly
He was
switch
controlling it and you drove into it and I told you not to go there. And you popped his breaker to his engine, to his throttle,
because I can get
by not listening to me. Now, you have control up to 547
it.
and do not go past that block.
Yeah, it goes underneath and loops around and comes out. Got
Yes, Green River.
sections under there.